This is the 20-30 square foot floor plan by Adams Homes. It has a great long drive and is located in a cul-de-sac. The stonework on the exterior is one of the many included features. A small inset to the left at the entrance is perfect for an entryway table. To the right, a beautifully adorned formal dining. After a stroll through the foyer, you enter into the main living areas. With a bright, open concept, this home is perfect for entertaining. A large open kitchen with all appliances included overlooks the living room. Granite and subway tile are standard in all of our homes at Waverly Place. The kitchen, at the heart of the home, connects seamlessly back into the formal dining area. A pantry, directly across from the refrigerator, makes this an efficient layout for any at-home chef. A long peninsula bar can seat 4 to 5 comfortably. There is also room for a small kitchenette table in front of yet another large window. Flowing directly into the living room, you will find a corner fireplace and a door to the backyard. The primary suite, located at the back of the home, offers a secluded oasis. With grand double crown molding, a large walk-in closet, and attached ensuite bath, this is the perfect place to relax. The primary bathroom includes a large walk-in shower, private water closet, linen closet, and cultured marble countertops. A small window allows natural light to filter into the space. Entering the front hall, you will find 3 additional bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a hall linen closet. Back at the front, you will find a laundry room located directly off the garage. This makes it easy to drop muddy boots or sandy suits before entering the rest of the home. The 2-car garage is fully finished out with trim and paint. This home has a garage door opener and 2 remotes included. You will also find access to the attic here for additional storage. Located on a quiet cul-de-sac, this home is ready for you to come pick up the keys. Give me a call or text at 737-210-6986. I would be happy to give you a tour. Don't forget to ask about any special incentives we may be running. We look forward to welcoming you to Waverly Place.